Corporate Diaries episode.
Oh wait, what number are we?
Oh yeah, 4.
This shirt, by the way, first item I saw on Ukay. I just love how knitted pattern.
Oh my gosh, guys, can you hear the rain? Because right now, while I'm editing this video, it's actually raining like so
It's
hard.
ironic at the same
time. Because you'll notice in the video, it's also raining. Like,
What do you mean I woke up and I'm freezing and I'm chilling? Because it's so freaking cold.
actually, the truest warriors out there are the ones na kahit bumabagyo at umuulan, pumapasok pa din for work.
Let's just hope for the best and keep safe in this weather. But anyways, my ulam is like talong and rice. Yeah.
Guys, it's gonna be my last day of work.
Oh no! Last 2 days before my last day
And I
at work.
can't help but feel this bittersweet emotion.
I don't know how to describe it, pero it's like leaving a part of your heart. It's really like leaving a part of yourself.
You would view this as if kinuha ko lang siya as part-time habang wala pang school.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah.
Guys, I do not have anything cool to do at home.
Nakahiga ako, nakatitig lang sa mga pader.
Like a cool girl needs to do cool stuff,
So,
okay?
bakit din nila ako magkaroon ng
I
experience?
don't know what I'm gonna do with this unemployed era of mine, so why not go to work, right? And meet these amazing people.
I'm so happy to be in this team kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila,
I promise you, I would not survive.
So yeah, what do you think of my cool edit? Grabe. Oh, sakit sa una mag-edit. I'm telling you, I can't do this.
Siguro pag rich kid na ako, I'm just gonna film, let someone edit things for me. I'm gonna just enjoy my life.
Look, si Kuya Kent, grabe yung lakas nun.
Okay, quick scene change.
You're nice
Yeah.
person to. Ay, red car. Ay, hindi.
Most days, namamasahe kami, but this time, sasabay kami sa aming coworker.
Ayan! That's my red car. Let's go! Grabe yung hangin. Ayun, nalipad yung baby hairs ko.
Ate Joey, say hi.
Hi!
Kuya Diego. Paano?
Nagmamaneho. Ayan, nagde-decide na tayo anong kakainin bukas. Pizza? Samgyup? Angel's Burger?
diba?
Ano pa? Abangan bukas.
Another quick scene change.
Video. Bago ma-upload. Dito tayo.
So, if I properly remember it right, we're in Angel's Burger! Oh my gosh, ang pangit nun. Ay, hindi ko talaga
Girl
ma-hit
on task kasi even if I'm trying, I really cannot.
Anyway, I'm with TL, may Joey. She's basically like my pinaka-cool and pinaka-chilled team leader. Oh, I don't know if you're hearing it. Mas lalong lumalakas yung ulan. Hear mo? You don't, right? Okay, fine. Okay na.
Pa-add po ng egg sa dalawang Apo. Yung isang order lang po yun tapos lalagyan po na.
Feel talaga. Pag inaya, tapos sasabihin mo, wala kang budget. Tapos sasabihin ko, libre kita, di naman.
Siyempre. Bakit kasi ang tagal ng sahod?
Tapos pang sahod. The oil is so unhealthy, pero okay lang. Kasi masarap yan. Promise. I promise you. Sobrang sarap.
Look! This is the egg. Ah, yes.
I'm waiting like a kid because practically my stomach is rumbling.
Kukulo na yung sikmura ko kasi I'm freaking hungry. Uy, ang ganda ng view dito. Like, sige.
Magdadala ako ng tripod bukas. Yung malaking tripod. Tapos, meron akong mic. Tapos itatapat ko yung mic sa inyong lahat. Nakaganda ko. So, kamusta naman ang inyong araw dito sa akin? Ayos lang daw. Kahit ang totoo, pagod na siya, gutom na siya, kailangan na natin ng Angel's Burger ngayon din. Okay na po ba yan, ate ko?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. You see that cross? It's begging for me to eat it. Mag-melt yan sa acid ng tiyan ko. Oh yeah.
Gagawa ko, ayan. We got our order. Sa loob yung food namin. Uuwi na tayo. Meron ng pandamon. Let's go, DL!
Practically risking my phone's life kung saan-saan ko nilalagay.
Angel's Burger. Please do justice sa iyong burger. Sarap. Sarap. Okay, guys. Naamoy ko yung cheese. Nag-melt sa bit. Tapos, ano ba yung nasa? Yung egg. Oh, yung egg. Lasang-lasa yung ano, yung smokiness niya. Yun talaga yung naamoy ko. Kasi matcha dito. Mag-burger. Ay, wala itong ketchup. Sa akin wala eh. Ay, hindi mekot. Parang hindi siya lasa. Ito mo, napaka-moist. Maganda siya. Yung ibang burger kasi, dry.
Ay, nakalimutan ko magbalagdag ng
Ito na ang dinner ko.
Da 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 da. Wait, before this video ends, I just want to say I don't know what to think of this series. Hindi ko talaga alam kung corporate diaries ba talaga siya. Like, other than the fact I'm wearing an ID in every video and every episode. Kasi, yeah, I'm losing for words. What was I gonna say? No, my brain's been really fried lately. Ano ba sasabihin ko? I was gonna say that it's still corporate diaries even if you don't get to see what I'm actually doing in work. Kasi bawal. Bawal mag-video inside work. So what I'm doing is I'm wearing an ID, filming whatever I do within working hours and even after working hours and even before working hours. So you'll know that it's still part of the series. Corporate diaries. So guys, in the last few episodes, I don't know if it's few episodes, but you got the point. In the last few videos that I'm about to post, it's about that too, but it's just me yapping. So if you're just there to hear me yap, I love you. And yeah, it's boring most of the time. Personally, I will not watch it kasi nakakatamad talaga. But if you like it, then I like you. I like you too. Thanks.